Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the show. Hope you all have a wonderful day today. Before I start things off, I'd like to stress that I am a novice. I'm a beginner at trading. This is my journey. I've been trading since March of this year. This is my journey. All the ups and downs, fails and flops and wins. Today we got a win. I'm up 190 pips, yo. The most I've ever. 189 even. 188.6. Anyway. Ever record breaking. Yo, I'm so proud of myself, man. It's shout out to my mentor, Dollar Will. Man, it is crazy. It's fun. I like this. So we're looking at a 4 hour on a euro dollar. First, let's go to the Dixie. I know Dollar Will used the dollar Swiss franc um as to see what the dollar doing. I I'm digging the Dixie, man. I'm digging the Dixie. I'm digging this one. So as you all know from past episodes, we saw the span out a little bit. The Dixie will head this descending broadening waves going on from a major dump. Then it was looked like it was some accumulation going on right here, and it started to make it a higher high, higher low, establishment at the bottom, 1, 2, 3 right here. They call this a partial decline and broke the top resistance, back tested it, and took off. Now, as far as a measured move of this established bottom from this low to high, it reached that. And this measured move is more like, when I do my measured moves, it's more like profit targets, you know. And the 100% measured move of the structure from this major low to this major high is right here. Now that just so happens to coincide or confluence the 100% measured move of the structure with a 618 retracement from this previous high to this low, a retracement of a 618, which is golden, aka the golden ratio. Now we're in the golden, well, we're in a retrace pocket of the 382 and the 618. But this 100% measured move of this structure from this major low to this major high, which is this tall rectangle right here, just confluences with the 618 retracement. Boom, spot on. When I saw that, I was like, yo, this is like geometry. You know, I don't think I did too well in high school in geometry. But I see it. I see it now. Mind you, the Dixie is an inverse of the dollar. We go well, the euro dollar. Go to the euro dollar. It's the exact same thing. It's just flipped. Now, I said the retracement, right? So for we go to the euro, this major low, previous major low to the more recent major high. We're looking at a retracement, 618 right there. But to be honest, I'm looking at a 50% retracement of the price. I'm looking at a 50% retracement of the price. We're going to hit that. I think, probability speaking, we're going to hit that and then retrace a little bit. Why? Because we have negative waning momentum. Our stochastic is like 5 on a stochastic. Let's look at the data window. The stochastic is 5. Or 6, it's pretty much down in the dumps. and soon the momentum should be reversing. Get some of this junk off the screen. So yeah, I think we're gonna hit somewhere around here, then retrace a little bit. Still think we're gonna fail to make a higher high because to go from here to here all the way up here, we're gonna have to. That's like 300 plus pips. Still think we're gonna fail to make a higher high and then reverse. So we're looking at almost A, B, C movement there. Let me put my junk back on the screen. Boom. I remember I mentioned to my mentor, Dollar Will, that I don't want my charts to look all messy, like everyone else. I think I want everything to look clean, smooth. And he corrected me. He said, "You don't know if, well, you don't know what that quote unquote junk mean to other people." This, I understand this. I understand all this. And when he corrected me, he said, when he said that, I said, "You're right." And time goes on, my chart looked like, to someone else, it may look like, "What are you doing?" But I understand this. I understand this. Oh, and I missed something else. So on the Dixie, we had something called a Morabazoo candlestick, which is a candlestick that is all body with little to no wicks, which dictates, which is right here, no wickage. It's almost it looks like a Hakinashi candlestick that is on the Japanese candlestick. So if we go to Hakinashi, oh, actually no, maybe I was tripping. What was I thinking about? So yeah, it's just it's a candlestick. Morabazoo candlestick is a candlestick, a Japanese candlestick with little to no wicks, no little to no shadows, and it's spelled Marubozu, and it shows, and it could be a bullish Morabazoo or a bearish Morabazoo. Morabazoo is the name of a Japanese candlestick formation used in technical analysis to indicate a stock has traded strongly in one direction throughout the session and closed at its high or low price of the day. So basically, the candle opened at a low, a bullish, opened at a low, didn't go lower, and it closed at a high, didn't go higher. Bearish, it opened at a high, didn't go higher, closed at a low, didn't go lower. But so a bullish Morabazoo means the bulls were in charge of the show, and you can expect the price to go higher. It's telling you a story. Hey, the bulls are in charge. Bearish Morabazoo, which obviously can be red, says, hey, the bears are in charge. No bullishness over here, so you can say the price will go or will go lower. So we had a bullish Morabazoo on the candlestick on the Dixie 4-hour, and I'll leave the Investopedia link of what a Morabazoo candlestick is down in the show notes. So let's go back to the euro, and I want to go to the hour time frame. Let's look at the daily real quick. The daily, oh man, look at this. The daily and a 4-hour are, remember a couple videos I said, the daily is, I don't know what's going on with the day. Well, the daily time frame is in no man's land. Now it's syncing up with the 4-hour. And look at the data window. On the stochastic, the daily is at a 4. This thing, I'll be looking for this thing to reverse soon. I think it could hit or close to, it's not going to hit it perfectly, close to the 50% retracement and then reverse, still failing to make a higher high and then come back down again, thus making a B, C, type deal. I have a alert set right here on the 50% retracement to let me know. So where am I going to take profit? Let's find out. And we have, actually we have, let's get back to the daily. We have strong bearish momentum on the MACD. Let's go to the hourly, and I saw, again, Dollar Will, he'll say, hey, just put a trend line. Just put a trend line. Trend line. Just put a trend line. And yeah. So this is what I did. This is the hourly. Let me zoom out a little bit. Show you all to help me know when I take profit. Actually, what I need to show this bottom structure. Oh, it's not even locked. Structure line on the 4-hour, because I want to show you all where the price broke out. Boom, look at that. All this stuff on the screen, I understand it, man. I understand it. Shout out to Dollar Will, man. I understand it. So look at this. Price broke out the structure. Boom. Price retested the structure. Like, you know what? Let me see if I can get back in the structure. And this is market psychology. This is the price. Price broke out like, wait a minute, we out the structure. Let me see if we can get back in. Went up. Nope. Rejected. Oh, okay, we can't get back in the structure. All right, we're gonna go our own way. We're gonna go down then. And then went down. And all of a sudden it started to trend down. Saw that. I actually plotted this morning. Saw a parallel, descending parallel, plot two on the top, right here, went at the bottom, respected it all the way down. Boom. 1, 2, 3, this. So where I said where to take profit. When we start to see a reversal of the trend where one of these highs start to be taken out, then we'll say, okay, it start to it start to wave up, retrace. So what I think is going to happen is one of these highs are going to be taken out to show a starting of a reversal of the trend. But just like up here, where reversal of the trend, it retested, price retests, it's going to take out a high, retest, and once it retests, I'm going to move the stop loss down, and I had a market to stop me out, thus securing my profit. So that's what I want to show you all. I'm excited. This is like my first time really being patient, and now that I got that under my belt, it's like I think I could be patient a lot more now. I see the virtues of being patient with trading. I see it now. So I'll keep you all up to date. As always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to continue to see my journey of trading. Well, my journey of learning technical analysis. And yeah, thank y'all for tuning in. I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right now. Peace.